Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today we are taking a look at the Yakima OnRamp Platform Bike Rack. The OnRamp is designed to carry two heavier bikes with a weight rating of 66 pounds per bike. With its adjustable sliding wheel trays, this rack can carry a wide range of bicycle types and sizes, including bikes with fenders. Assembly of the tongue to the bike rack is needed. To do so, line the holes and slide the bolt with a washer on it through. Place another washer on the other side and thread the nut onto the bolt. Tighten both sides simultaneously with the supplied 19mm wrenches. With the rack assembled, slide the tongue into the receiver and thread the 24mm hitch bolt into the receiver and through the rack. Make sure when fully tightened the rack has no play in the receiver. As it sits, the OnRamp is in its stowed away position. To open the rack, remove the pull pin and release the knob. Then fold the rack into position. The rack can also be folded down out of the way for better clearance for your tailgate or trunk. Once you have the rack into position, reinsert the pull pin into its slot. The wheel trays on the OnRamp can be adjusted by loosening these knobs and sliding the tray in either direction. If you need to adjust the tray more, the wheel straps can be moved as well by loosening this bolt. To get the OnRamp ready to load your bikes, release the knob on the bike stabilizer to fold it into position. The arms on the stabilizer that clamp onto your bike frame telescope up and down and rotate in many directions to ensure it will work with a variety of bike frame styles. To load your bike, lift it into place in the wheel tray. A ramp for your heavier bikes is included to assist with getting them onto the rack. When not in use, the ramp can be attached to the rack out of the way. With your bike loaded, place the arm onto the frame of your bike. The pads and straps of the arm are rubbered to ensure no damage is caused to the finish of your bike. Route the strap around the frame of your bike and into the buckle, making sure it's secure. With the bike being supported by the stabilizer, route the front and rear wheel straps through the wheel and into the buckle at a 45-degree angle. If you choose, you can utilize the supplied locking cable to lock your bike to the OnRamp as well as the OnRamp to your hitch receiver. You can also purchase the Yakima hitch lock separately and use the supplied locking cable to solely lock your bike to the rack. Thank you for checking out our video on the Yakima OnRamp. If you have any questions about the product, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or send us an email at info@rackwarehouse.com.